2022 Yamaha Ténéré 700 features a fuel-injected, 689cc liquid-cooled, inline twin-cylinder engine derived from Yamaha's award-winning Mount 07. This compact power plant features an ideal power delivery for adventure riding, for tractable and controllable power in every riding condition. The Ténéré 700 features a narrow body, slim fuel tank, and flat seat that allow maximum rider agility, enabling the rider to grip the tank whether sitting or standing, giving added confidence on dirt or asphalt. The protective fairing and handguards work with the tapered handlebar to ensure comfort. Highly adjustable, long travel suspension is mated to dirt-ready spoked wheels, mounting 21-inch front and 18-inch rear tires, ensuring that Ténéré 700 doesn't shy away from aggressive riding when the pavement ends. The triple disc brakes also feature selectable ABS, which can be disabled when desired for off-road riding. Every aspect of the Ténéré 700 is built to combine Yamaha's legendary reliability with impressive performance, from the compact LED headlights, to the strong and narrow steel frame, to the smooth counterbalanced motor and crystal clear LCD gauges. Developed from the stellar Mount 07 hyper-naked sportbike, the Ténéré 700 engine combines exceptional reliability and exciting power delivery in a compact, fuel-efficient package, with an overall size similar to some single-cylinder motors. The 689cc fuel-injected, liquid-cooled, DOHC inline twin gives the Ténéré 700 exceptional handling, while the counterbalanced two-cylinder design provides smooth, long-legged power ideal for long days in the saddle. The two-cylinder engine features Yamaha's crossplane crankshaft concept, 270-degree crank, which traces its lineage directly to the Dakar-dominating XTZ 750 race bikes. To provide linear torque development in response to the rider's throttle input, the CP2 engine is also light, slim, and compact, and offers an excellent level of rider or machine communication. The CP2 engine shifts its cylinder bores slightly forward, towards the exhaust side. This offset reduces piston to cylinder wall friction, for enhanced reliability, more power, and improved fuel economy. The 6-speed transmission stacks the gearbox and the crankshaft in a triangular layout to keep the overall engine size shorter front to back, which optimizes engine placement in the frame for outstanding weight balance. The transmission ratios are designed to bring out the best of the low to mid-speed torque and excellent response characteristics, letting the rider focus on the road or trail ahead. Electronic fuel injection settings have been calibrated to deliver a balance between rapid response perfect for technical riding off-road and smooth linear delivery ideally matched for flowing progress when back on pavement. Boasting excellent fuel economy, robust acceleration, and precise controllability on and off-road, the result is an extremely versatile power plant. Echoing the focused, purposeful design of rally-built works racing machines, the Ténéré 700 utilizes a clear headlight nacelle with quad LED headlights. This vertically stacked 2+2 headlight design provides aggressive looks and excellent visibility, while the LEDs themselves are bright, long-lasting, and resistant to shock and vibration. Thanks to the fuel-efficient engine and compact 4.2-gallon fuel tank, the Ténéré 700 is ready for the next horizon, with a fuel range extending over 215 miles per fill-up.